I'm Abdul Shakur Ahmed, community coordinator for this event, and we're remembering the Underground Railroad. State Representative Willis Blackshear announced on December the 8th, 2021, the Ohio House passage of House Bill 340, which would designate September as International Underground Railroad Month to honor the history of Ohioans who contributed to the Underground Railroad's mission of justice for enslaved people. With the passage of House Bill 340, we are honoring, preserving, and recognizing the lives and stories of freedom seekers, abolitionists, and those whose names are no longer known that helped enslaved people escape to freedom. Here in Middletown, we've always been free. Northwest Territory was a free place by law. Slavery was not allowed in the state of Ohio.
It's a pleasure and a blessing to be able to read this proclamation, and I'm very proud of Shakur because he's worked very, very hard on this. The total path of Miami-Erie Canal and the banks of the Great Miami River were part of the Underground Railroad routes. The city of Middletown was the hub for this region, and we are humbled and proud to have had a part in advancing this purpose. On behalf of Major Condrey and all of the City Council do hereby recognize and celebrate September the 17th, 2022 in the city of Middletown as International Underground Railroad Day.
Educating young people about the Underground Railroad to you is important. Why?
Truth and understanding we're all one creation, one people, and always before evil manifested, helped each other. It wasn't about color of nobody's skin. It wasn't about whether you was American or Indian or whatever. Everybody needed each other. So I'm like, come on, y'all. Let yourself be stuck where you want to be stuck. But don't force your ideology on other people to take advantage of folks. And that's what it's all about. Because my whole thing, the historical society, that's what this is all about. So I'm a member, and telling other people, be a member.